Let's maximize our elevation view and move on to our upper wall cabinets. The first thing that I'm going to do is let's go back into our appliance catalog, and again I'm going to come into my favorites, and I want to find a wall hood. I'm going to click and place that back here on the back wall, select it, and I'm going to use my center tool and click on the range. That way it will precisely locate that on the center. Let's go ahead and snap the top of the cook hood up to the ceiling. And now we want to add a couple of wall cabinets in here. So using my cabinet wall tool, I'm going to click and place a couple of these wall cabinets. Let's go ahead and make this 39 inches. Just shy of the cook range, so when we drew our custom backsplash, that'll give us a little bit of room. I'm going to select this cabinet. Down here in our toolbar, use the copy and reflect about the cook hood. Flip that around. And let's place one more wall cabinet in this space in here. And since we've got a set of double doors, let's double click on that. Make the change to a left or a right door. Get the preview. And now the final cabinet we want to place is above the refrigerator. And I see that when we did our refrigerator, we did not put a top shelf above that. So I'm going to use our shelf tool, and I'm just going to come in here and click to place a shelf. And let's go ahead and bump that out to be 48 inches. And we'll pull that down just off the top of the refrigerator, and I'm going to just check, double click on that, and I want to set the depth to be 24 inches. And now I will go ahead and place my wall cabinet in here. Come in here, let's go ahead and pull that down, and let's go ahead and bump that up against the wall, and then we'll set that to be 48 inches. And the final thing that we want to do with that cabinet above the refrigerator, let's go ahead and double click on it. And let's change the depth here to be 24 inches. And that should do it. Let's go ahead and zoom out. And so there is the elevation view of the cabinets. Over here on the far right-hand side of my screen, close my library browser for you. There is a toggle option to turn the color on and off. The other thing that we can do, you'll notice that I have my opening indicators on the doors. Let's open up the layer table, and I'm going to browse through the layers. Chief Architect is layer-based, so you can turn various things on and off, electrical, HVAC, and get the precise view that you're after. So here it is with the color off. And we can now use our dimension tool and go ahead and place some dimensions in here.